In this Argos support video, we will guide you through resetting your bushfire TV with Freely. Before performing a full factory reset, we recommend trying a power cycle first. To do this, switch off your TV at the wall socket and unplug it from the mains power supply. Locate the manual on and off button on your Fire TV and hold this in for 10 to 15 seconds. Then, reconnect the power cable and switch the TV back on. If the issue persists, you can continue with a factory reset. Firstly, press the Home button on your remote control, scroll to Settings and press Select. Next, scroll down to Device and Software, then press Select. Scroll to Reset to Factory Defaults and press Select. Then, scroll to Reset and press Select. Your TV will now begin resetting to the factory settings. Please note, this process may take a few minutes to complete, and your TV may restart during the reset. Once the reset is complete, your Fire TV will return to the initial setup screen. Your factory reset is now complete. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.